In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Houzz Pro. If you're considering managing your Houzz Pro subscription, whether you're ready to close an account or looking for other service options, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure it's as seamless as possible. First, start by navigating to the Houzz Pro website. You can do this by typing pro.houzz.com into your web browser's address bar. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your Houzz Pro account credentials, which include your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset it. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon to access a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select either Account Settings or Subscription and Billing. This is where you'll find all the necessary information related to your account and subscription details. Within the account settings page, find the section that details your current subscription plan. This will usually be under billing or subscription details. Here, you'll see your current plan details along with any billing and payment options if applicable. To proceed with canceling, look for a button labeled Cancel Subscription or Manage Plan. Clicking on this will begin the cancellation process. After clicking Cancel Subscription or Manage Plan, you'll be led to a series of prompts designed to confirm your decision to cancel. These prompts are often there to ensure you're certain about canceling your service. Follow these prompts carefully, taking note of any details they might present, like changes to billing cycles or remaining account access. Once you've confirmed cancellation and gone through the prompts, you should receive a confirmation email. This email serves as proof that your subscription has been canceled. Be sure to keep it for your records just in case you need to reference it later. If you don't see the email in your inbox after a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder in case it lands there instead. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently unsubscribe from Houzz Pro. Remember, if at any point you reconsider and want to reactivate your service, you can always log back into your account and manage your subscription preferences from there. Thank you for following along with these instructions, and I hope this guide made the process straightforward and simple for you. Feel free to leave any comments if you have further questions or need additional assistance.